welcome back again everyone. This is Ali and today we're going to speak about the loop control. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share it between your friends. So let's go. So in this video we'll learn how to control the loop, how to get out of the loop, how to get a number from the loop. So let's create a loop for here given a variable. Let's call it x in begin with 1 and end in 10. Set a block. Let's say print line x like this with the add mark. Let's say x. Now click run the file or no. Now for some reasons you across with a situation like when you search something in a list, when you find your search get out of the list. That's how we're gonna do today. So click if the x equal, for example, 5, well, use the word break. Now basically he will print all of the numbers, but when he come to the number 5 he just will get out of the loop. Let's say print line the end. So click run the file. So the result that he begin with 1 and say if the variable equals 5, you will get out of the loop. But here 1 return to the basic loop, 2 the same, 3 again, and 4 again. Well, when he come to 5, look here, we made him that if the x equal 5 will get out of the loop. There is another word called continue. This word it works with pick up the number you selected but get out only the number and continue after that number you selected. Okay, so here let's write continue and I will show you more here. As we can see and we know that he begin with 1 and end with 10, but he begin with 1, 2, 3, 4. So we said if x equal 5, then ignore him or disagree with him and pick him out of the loop. Not all the loop, but only the number 5. This work is belongs to continue. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is 5? We get it out of the loop. 4, 6, 7 until the end. So this is how continue work. So maybe you have more than one nested loop, maybe 2 or 5 nested loops. So let's delete this and say another 4. D, let's say the variable d begin with 1 and in 5. So let's set the blocks. Print line x like this, dollar mark, another x, and here plus d like this. Good. Let's say click run the file. We want to get out a number from the basic loop, not the nested loop. We do here, for example, loop with this mark dot. Okay, and come here we say continue, but with this dot, loop dot. So let's give him the if, say x equal 3. Well, you will get him out of the list or the loop. Click around the file. So here you can see that he ignored the number 3 in just this loop, not the nested loop, no, the basic loop. How we can just ignore one and don't ignore the other? Well, you will write anything but added him with the mark at. Now I hope that's it for today. See you next time and stay safe.